Good morning, day 59 of 75 Hard. Have a perfect illustration of why it pays to be prepared. So I was going to bed last night, literally laying in bed, and I realized that I am not going to go home for lunch today. I'm going to stay at the gym because I got shit to do. Anyway, which meant I needed lunch to bring with me. I wasn't going to get up. Again, I was already laying in bed. It was already dark. I had my toddler next to me. Like, it is what it is. But when I woke up this morning, I thankfully remembered that I needed to bring lunch with me. And because I have all the things already prepared, I have my food prepped, I have the meat cooked, I have the rice easily available. It's not all put together. Like when I food prep, I don't put the things together immediately. I put them together when I eat them, because I think it's kind of weird to just have shit sitting around together like that. Anyway, in like less than 60 seconds from getting into the kitchen, I had my lunch ready to go with me. And if I didn't have all the things prepared, if I didn't think in advance that, hey, I want to make this thing easy, I wouldn't have had any of that. I don't know what I would have done. I would have probably gone out somewhere and had to figure that out, which is kind of a pain in the ass when you're on 75 Hard. Like on a normal day, it's okay, but when you're trying to stick to your meal plan and eat out, it's a little difficult. But again, because I was prepared, because I think in advance, because I food prep, because I buy the things I know that I need, I had it all ready to go. It made it super easy. It's simple. It's simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. Make your life simple. Make good choices, y'all. I'll see you later. What's up, party people? Day 59 tasks are done once again before 4 o'clock. This has nothing to do with anything. There's some dude in my neighborhood. I'm assuming it's a dude. I'm assigning a gender to it. There's some dude in my neighborhood that apparently has a power saw in his backyard or garage. There you go. I don't know if you can hear that or not. And like every day that thing's going off. And I want to know what he's building. Like, is he adding to his house? Is he just sawing shit to get stress out? Like I have questions, because I hear it literally 7 days a week. I hear that saw going. I can't think of a home improvement project that's been going on for 5 years that he needs that power saw every day. I'm curious. Anyway, that's all for today. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.